What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Move only two matchsticks to make a true equation. And again, a true equation means that equal sign must stay there. You don't want to make it into a does not equal symbol. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So of course, we're starting off with 3 times 2 equals 19. That's definitely not true. 3 times 2 is 6. So what I'm looking for is a way to beef these numbers up because we're probably going to be stuck with a 2-digit number. And also I need to change this because 19 is a prime number. We can't get it by multiplying two numbers, of course, unless one of them is 1. So my first thought is I'm going to change this 19. I'm going to change it to a 10. That's great because I can do that in one move, and now it's a multiple of 2. So that tells me maybe this is going to stay as is. What times 2 is 10? That's 5. And that's perfect because if I take this matchstick and place it right there, we've got a 5. 5 times 2 is 10. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.